Hello. In this class I am going to explain silicon controlled rectifier, which is also called as semiconductor controlled rectifier. SCR are mainly used in electronic devices to control high voltage and power. In this class let us study about the symbol of SCR, basic construction of SCR, and third one is working of SCR, and fourth one is voltage current characteristics of SCR. Now let us know about the symbol and construction of SCR. SCR here, it is symbol in symbol. It has a three terminal. One is anode, second is cathode, and third one is gate. And in basic structure of the SCR, here see the SCR is a four-layered semiconductor switching device. It has three junctions: J1, junction J1, junction J2, junction J3. It has three external terminals, that is anode, cathode, and gate terminal. And gate terminal is taken out from the P layer near to the cathode. And here gate terminal is used to turn on the SCR by passing gate current from gate to cathode. Let us study the modes of operations in SCR. First one is forward blocking mode, second one is forward conduction mode, third one is reverse blocking mode. We will study first one, that is forward blocking mode, and it may call as a off state of the SCR also. Now here anode of the SCR device is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and cathode of the SCR device is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and gate terminal is kept open here, and junctions J1 is a forward biasing mode, and junction J2 is in reverse biasing mode, and junction J3 is in forward biasing mode. Now junction J2 creates depletion layer, and because of this it blocks the current passing in the SCR device, but small leakage current is passing from the anode to cathode. This is because of the minority carriers present in the device, but this current is not sufficient to bring SCR in on state. Thus, even though SCR is in forward biased condition, SCR doesn't conduct. This is known as the forward blocking mode, and it is also called as a off state of the SCR. When the applied voltage between anode and cathode is increased, the depletion layer which is present at the J2 junction decreases. If this voltage is kept on, the voltage between anode and cathode is kept on increasing, at some particular voltage the depletion layer at the junction J2 vanishes, or the junction J2 breaks down. This is called also as a avalanche breakdown. And at this mode, junction J1 and J2 are already in forward biased condition. The large amount of the current flows from anode to cathode of the SCR device. Due to this, the SCR starts to conduct. Let us know the voltage and current characteristics of the SCR here. From O to P, it is called the forward blocking region or a off state of the SCR. Here, from the O to P, the SCR will not conduct, but small leakage current is passing from the anode to cathode because of the minority carriers. But when we keep on increasing the voltage between the anode and cathode, what happens at some particular voltage, that is called the VBO, forward breakover voltage, what happens, the depletion layer the present at the junction J2 breaks down. That is also called the avalanche breakdown. That time suddenly the conduction starts from anode to cathode. Here the SCR starts to conduct. Now second one is forward conduction mode. Here anode of the SCR is connected. Here anode of the SCR is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and cathode of the SCR device is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and gate terminal is connected to the another battery here. And the current pulse passes from the gate to the cathode here. This current is called as the gate current, that is IG. And this makes the SCR turn on early before the external applied voltage between anode and cathode will reach the forward breakover voltage. The forward breakover voltage. Here, if we still higher the gate current is passed, say IG is equal to IG1. Here IG is equal to IG1. What happens? The SCR turns on more early. With this, we come to one conclusion that higher the gate current, lower the forward anode voltage. Once the SCR is turns on, it starts conducting in forward current. If we remove the gate current, still SCR remains in a on state. And from the voltage current characteristics, we can see here, from 0 to P, it is a forward blocking region or a off state, but the leakage current is flowing through the SCR due to the minority carriers. When the IG means the gate current is passes through the SCR, what happens? The SCR turns on more early before reaching the the voltage between anode and cathode, that is breakover voltage, and the SCR starts here only, and it remains in a conduction mode. This is the second operation. Third mode is reverse blocking mode, that is also called as a off state of the SCR. Here anode of the SCR device is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, and cathode of the SCR device is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Here gate terminal is kept open, and J1 is in reverse biasing condition, J2 is in forward biasing condition, and J3 is reverse biasing condition. Here J1 is in reverse biasing condition because the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P terminal of the P type of the semiconductor, and positive terminal of the battery is connected to the N type of the semiconductor. That's why junction J1 is in a reverse biasing mode. And here junction J2, the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the N type of the semiconductor, and positive terminal of the battery is connected to the P type of the semiconductor. That's why the J2 is in a forward biasing condition. And again the junction J3, here the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the P type of the semiconductor, positive terminal of the battery is connected to the N type of the semiconductor. That's why junction J3 is also in a reverse biasing condition. Here the SCR device is in a reverse biased condition. That's why the current will not flow through the SCR device, but small leakage current is passing through the device due to the minority carriers present in the SCR device. Here see, it is a reverse. On seeing the voltage current characteristics, from 0 to M, it shows the reverse leakage current, means it is in a off state. The SCR is in a off state, and because of the minority carriers, the reverse leakage current is passing through the device. If the reverse voltage applied between the anode and cathode, this reverse voltage, if we increase further, what happens? At a particular voltage called reverse breakdown voltage, that is the VBR, that is the reverse breakover voltage, that is the VBR, these junctions J1 junction and J3 junctions breakdowns, and this breakdown is called as the avalanche breakdown. Due to this, the reverse current increases. If this current in the SCR device crosses the safer limit, the SCR device gets destroyed. So here the in this mode we should not use this SCR in this mode. And the MN region, M to N, the region show the reverse avalanche region here. Today I am stop here only, and we will meet in a next class.